on. New to the Versus mic. First time. Going to hope my last. I am an artist, singer-songwriter, producer. I do have some songs out currently. You can find it on all your musical platforms. And we'd like to sing something for y'all today. Today I'm going to bring one of my favorite artists to the stage and do something by Billie Eilish for you. Versus I want you to stay till I'm in my grave, till I run away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better. I know can't change the weather. Might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light is my eye. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. Oh, you wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. Oh, say you don't see it. Your mind's polluted.